Zyron, aka Axis 0096, about to launch a rocket in Kerbal Space Program. Well, Kerbal Space Program 1, and just out of curiosity, has anyone ever played this game or has ever played it before? I'm just curious. I have not played this game in so long. This is just a hodgepodge rocket I put together to see if it can reach orbit and maybe launch a satellite from my Kerbins to monitor asteroids. In the meantime, I figured I'd give an update to my channel, mainly because I haven't been offline. I've been offline for a while. And away we... Anyways, as the rocket is going up, I figured I'd give an update on my channel. I haven't been online recently, mainly because I've been having internet issues at my home, as well as some computer issues as well. My internet provider wasn't at fault. It was my internet provider's fault. I went through like 3 routers in a month, and I've been unable to record up until the last week or so. It's kind of goofy, I know, but I thank you for my fans and my channel fans being patient. I know it's been tough, but thank you for your patience and understanding. Anyhow, I figured I'd also give an update. I'm going to be doing more than just Star Citizen. As soon as Elite Dangerous Odyssey drops, I'm probably also going to do some videos related to it from the exploration standpoint, among other things. With that out of the way, let's see how this mission goes. Hopefully my rocket makes it to orbit. I'm almost 30,000 meters up. So, how are we doing on fuel? About 2 minutes burn time left. No, prograde. Idiot. Yeah, almost went the wrong way. It's been so long since I've played Kerbal Space Program. I almost made literally a novice mistake on this game. Let's check the orbit. Trying to get this satellite, the Near Kerbin Asteroid Explorer, into a satellite or a transfer orbit interior to Kerbin. So hopefully I can do that momentarily. Let's see. How are we doing on fuel? I need to slow down. Yeah. I'm going to do a time skip here. I don't think this launch is going to be successful. We'll see. Probably due to my earlier flub up. That's okay. Things happen in space travel, especially these kind of games. It's only important that I get my rocket into nearly an orbit. See, I'm at 300,000 meters. Well above the planet. Alright. Let's see. How's the orbit changing? Alright. Looks like we're getting close. Right. How are we doing on solar fuel? Good. As you can see, I have 2 other satellites in orbit so far. Alright. And throttle up. See if we can push it off the ground on the opposite side of the planet. Perfect. That's all I really needed to do anyways. Okay. Thrust up. There. We're in an eccentric orbit now. And now... First stage... Okay. Not yet. Yeah, actually, yes. Deploy protective airstream shield. Right. We are going to decouple from the upper stage of our rocket. Deploy our solar panels. Both of them. Activate engine. What was that? There we go. And we have left the vicinity of our... Right. We've left the debris orbiting our planet. Might want to keep accelerating. That's probably a good idea. How much fuel do we have? Enough for 60 seconds at maximum burn. Stand to 10. Why am I in this mode? The toroidal engine is one of the most efficient engines. I'm trying to escape Kerbal by sending my asteroid explorer into a nice elliptical orbit. See if we can escape Kerbal at this rate. We should be able to. At this thrust rate. And passing the moon. There's Minmus, which is out here, the outermost moon of Kerbal. And there we go. Perfect. We have escaped into near Kerbal orbit. And now, my Kerbal satellite, we're going to do a time lapse and watch as we depart our beautiful blue planet. Wonder if we're going to pass the moon anytime. There's the moon. The moon in the distance. Minmus as well, if you can see this little dot floating in the distance. This is the Mun. If you've never played Kerbal Space Program. This is Kerbin, and now we are entering near Kerbin space. Farewell, Kerbin. This satellite is heading into a region of space little explored. Alright. Where are we on orbital map? Well outside Kerbin's orbit. Right. Some periapsis. At the sun's periapsis. Yeah. Watch. See, there are asteroids near me. Big ones, too. Lots of asteroids, too. This is a Kerbin exploratory satellite. This is a medium. As soon as I get to my perihelion, periapsis, which is the nearest point to the planet, to the star, I'm going to rotate my spacecraft retrograde and then put us into a parking orbit between Kerbin and this planet, Eve. And I should be getting there at this timestamp right here. There we go. But it's been about 223 days since launch. We're far away from Kerbin now. And throttle up on the engine. Oops. Yeah, throttle up on the engines. I said throttle up on the engines, you moron. Stop. Just watch. This engine is very efficient if you ever play this game for an upper stage. See? It's already taking us interior to Kerbin's orbit. Into a nice low orbit. There we go. We're basically between Kerbin and Eve now. Into a nice parking orbit. Pretty much. Yeah. Now for the final step in my mission here, I am going to jettison this fuel. Well, what I could try to do is try to get it closer in than Eve for my monitoring. Let's do that instead. Yes. Let's go interior to Eve's orbit. Alright. And here. Right. I've never done this with a satellite like this. And now we're going to swoop basically really close to the sun. I've never been this close to the star with a orbital satellite. Look how fast we're moving. Really fast. Where's the sun? Right here. We're here. Anyways. I don't think we'll be able to get a fully circularized orbit here, though. No. Well, we might, if we try. Yeah, it's going to take a bit. Let's watch. This orbit's highly eccentric. Let's see. The particulars were in low inclination, and perigee were in a 0.1. Eve is actually a highly elliptical orbiting planet. I just realized that. Yeah, it is. We don't want to cross the orbit. Sorry I'm muttering so much to myself. But with these kind of games, you gotta be careful Otherwise, you're going to end up smacking into a planet. I think we did it. Yeah, we're interior to Eve's orbit. Might as well burn out the fuel. We only have 10 seconds left. And we're completely interior to Eve's orbit. Perfect. We are now interior to Eve's orbit. And now the final step of this mission is to eject this old, spent, useless piece of garbage and start object tracking. There we go. Did that work? Probably. Anyways, that's it, fans. I figured I'd give you an update and a successful orbit. I doubt my orbit entry was successful. Anyways, thanks for hanging around. Talk to you guys later. Bye.